What's up, guys? It's 9 a.m. I've been driving on the road for about an hour and a half. We're on the way to St. Augustine to get this hog. It's a 2014 Street Bob, 103 cubic inch engine, all black. So pretty much picking up another project bike. Decided to take you guys with me. The views is beautiful out here, as you can see. Roads and grass and cars. Hopefully we start seeing palm trees soon. We still got another 4.5 hours to go. So let's go on a little reckless adventure.
Faces fade to black as they move from the light. Am I even real?
You have your mind, but you don't have the consistency that you need to have with that discipline.
So what are you talking about?
It's a little David Goggins for the road trip, you know? I try to listen to music sometimes when I drive, but I just feel like for really long road trips, try to like bash in at least some like motivation or something you can learn from, you know what I'm saying? Trying to get better as an individual. So that's kind of what I like to do on road trips. So we just got done picking up the bike, loaded it up, strapped her in real good. It's a 2014, 12K miles, Street Bob, 103 cubic inch engine. Pretty good condition, no leaks, always been serviced at the Harley dealership. So now we're gonna take a little break before our 6-hour drive back home, and we're gonna go to the beach. Make sure you save a turtle too. So recycle. Try to use paper bags and make sure you throw away your trash at the beach, okay? And by the way, if you don't know what beach we're at Bolano Beach.
Everything was moving so fast. Everywhere I look, I'm starting to feel time is eating me alive, me alive. Drown again alive. Who am I? Time is eating me. Time moves on and on. Can I stomach it? Can I stomach it?
Finally headed home. Driving in the rain. Harley getting a bath right now in the back. He's definitely probably one of my best purchases out of all the bikes that I've had. I think this might be one of my favorite bikes. And I've only been on it for like three minutes, riding it around in the neighborhood and then loading it up in the truck. So far it's been great. I heard the maintenance sucks on it, or parts are expensive, but who gives a fuck? You know, you live once. You know, might as well make the best of it. The way things have been going, everything's been looking like a simulation. Trump getting shot, you know, turning that head last minute. The clouds look funny sometimes. The drinking water tastes funny sometimes. I don't know.
and I still make it. Where did I go wrong? My fear building.
But I definitely want to probably try to play some more of this Joe Rogan shit. Try to keep me awake for this last 4 hours.